Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that many of you have asked about: how to make your ex-boyfriend want you back after a breakup. If you're feeling lonely, sad, and missing your ex, you're not alone. But before diving in, it's crucial to understand why your relationship ended in the first place. Let's explore this step by step to ensure you're making the right moves for the right reasons. First things first, take a deep breath and reflect on why you want to get back together. It's easy to think you need your ex back because you're emotionally distraught, but this might not be the best reason. Breakups are tough, but people recover from them all the time. If financial security is a motivator, be cautious. Relationships based on such grounds often don't last. Talk to your trusted friends and family about your situation. While the final decision is yours, getting an outside perspective can help you see things more clearly. Make a list of pros and cons for getting back together. Consider both the positives and negatives of resuming the relationship versus staying single. Don't let the fear of the unknown or the fear of never finding love again hold you back. Sometimes, staying broken up is what's best, but it's hard to see that until you've moved past the initial pain. Remember, it's normal to hurt after a breakup, even if it was the right decision. Reflect on your role in the breakup. This can be tough, especially if you feel you weren't at fault. Think about your ex's side of the story with an open mind. Relationships are complex, and sometimes we unintentionally neglect our partner's needs. Ask yourself what worked in your relationship, what didn't work, and what you could have done differently to positively affect the relationship. Use these questions to build healthier relationships moving forward. Consider what changes you can make to improve the relationship and what changes you'd like your ex to implement. Ask yourself if it's worth getting back together if your ex isn't interested in making any changes. Be careful not to compromise who you are just to get him to like you. Talking to a friend, relationship coach, or therapist can provide clarity. A third party can often see things you might miss. If you're struggling with your emotions after a breakup, consider seeking professional help. Remember why you fell in love with your ex in the first place. Long-term relationships can make it easy to focus only on the negatives. Make a list of all the positive qualities and memories you have of your ex-boyfriend. This can help you see the relationship more clearly. Opening the lines of communication. Now that you've done some self-reflection, it's time to open the lines of communication with your ex. Here's how to do it. You won't know if he wants to get back together if you're not communicating. Wait until the tensions and emotions have leveled out, then reach out. You can call, text, or contact him on social media. Start the conversation casually, for example. Hey, it's been a while since we talked. What's new in your life? After you've been talking for a while, suggest meeting for coffee or lunch. Keep these meetings brief at first. Your goal is to reminisce about the good times you had together and leave him wanting to see you more. As time progresses, you can introduce longer dates. Make your interest in getting back together clear when you meet in person. You could say something like, "I've been thinking about our separation a lot lately. I really miss our relationship and think we might be able to make it work again." Since you've already reflected on your role in the breakup, you'll have a good understanding of your mistakes. Own up to them and apologize. Make yourself a little vulnerable by saying, "I'm sorry for not truly listening to you when you were trying to talk to me about our relationship." Be clear about what you want from a relationship now and in the future, and listen to what he wants. Communicate these desires clearly if you start discussing getting back together. You want to ensure both of you are on the same page and can meet each other's needs. If he's not interested in talking or being friendly, respect that. Acting desperate and needy is not attractive. Give him time to sort through his feelings about your separation. Rekindling your passion. Once you've re-established communication, it's time to rekindle the passion. Here's how to go about it. Make sure you look your best when you see him. Wear nice clothes and spend a few extra minutes on your appearance. Confidence is attractive, so carry yourself with assurance. One advantage of getting back together with a former boyfriend is that you already know him well. Show that you remember and support his passions. For example, order him a coffee just the way he likes it. Small gestures can go a long way. Appearing needy and desperate isn't appealing. Show him that you find yourself important. Continue to excel in your work or studies and spend time with friends and family. Confidence and independence are attractive qualities. Set healthy boundaries to ensure you have time for yourself and can maintain your independence. If he was abusive during your relationship, it may not be the best idea to get back together. Expect him to respect you as well. By respecting yourself, you will naturally command respect from others. Distance makes the heart grow fonder. He cannot miss you if you're always around. After you've started talking again, give him time to think about what he's missing. There's a fine line between making a guy want to be with you and making him jealous. Ensure your actions indicate your intention to get back together. Don't go on dates with other people or ignore him when he reaches out. You don't want to send mixed signals that could drive him further away. That's it for today's video. Remember, getting back with an ex requires careful consideration and effort from both sides. Reflect on your reasons, communicate openly, and respect yourself throughout the process. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.